pond was a wolf alarm with
Kid, tell me the wolf story.
a wolf. Daddy was a man. He was riding horse. He was lost. I
Put your
blow
hands
the
down. I can't
house
see your
down.
face.
I blow the house down. I blow
Did you hop in the pond?
and blow the house down. The sheep. I blow Daddy's house down. And blow, and say whoa.
Woof woof.
And blow all the people and blow the house down.
What'd you eat for dinner that day?
Blow.
Blow?
I blowed. I might eat you and do everything else. I ate.
Did you eat your carrots and celery? And broccoli?
Yeah.
And did you eat your beans?
Yeah.
Did you eat your rice?
Yeah.
One by one?
Yeah.
Did you put furikake on it?
Yeah.
What about eggs?
Yeah.
And did you go to the spot?
Yeah.
Who'd you go with?
With Mom, Grandpa, and Daddy, and me.
Did you swim from one side to the other?
It's cold.
Did your hair get wet?
Did
you jump in the cold pool with Daddy?
Yeah, that's cold.
It's cold, huh? Okay.